The T connector allows you to join 3 pieces of track together in a T configuration. There are 2 different types of T connectors. They look nearly identical, but there's a subtle difference. If you look at these ends, the ends are the same. 1 contact here, 2 on the opposite side. The other end, same thing. However, this leg of the T has the 2 contacts on this side, and this one has the 2 contacts on the opposite side. That's because you may need a T that goes one way or a T that goes the other. In the case of the L connector, it's possible to swap them around internally. The T connectors cannot, so you need to know, based on how your polarity is laid out, which T connector you need. Is the T connector and T left. To learn more about our product line and more information about LED lighting and the applications, please visit our website at lumicrest.com and give us a call. We are very happy to help you with your LED lighting and answer any of your questions.